In this video, I'm going to show you how to get money from Afterpay on Cash App, or in other words, how to borrow money from Afterpay using Cash App. And I'll also explain what actually works and what doesn't. So, let's get started. First, open your Cash App on your phone and make sure you're logged in. On the main screen, you'll see several icons at the bottom. Tap on the magnifying glass icon, that's the Discover section. Type Afterpay in the search bar. Now here's the important part. Afterpay is not directly connected to Cash App, which means you can't actually borrow cash from Afterpay through Cash App. Afterpay is designed for buy now, pay later purchases, not for withdrawing or transferring cash. But there is a workaround that still lets you use your Cash App card with Afterpay when shopping online or in stores that accept it. Here's how it works. Go back to your Cash App home screen and tap the card icon at the bottom to check if your Cash App card is active. If you don't have one yet, just tap Get Free Cash Card and follow the steps to order and activate it once it arrives. Next, open the Afterpay app or visit a retailer's website that accepts Afterpay. For example, places like Target, Nike, or Best Buy. Shop as you normally would, add your items to the cart, and head to checkout. When you reach the payment section, choose the option to Add Card, and then enter your Cash App card details, the 16-digit number, expiration date, and CVV. Once you do this, Afterpay will charge your Cash App balance for the first installment and automatically schedule the remaining 3 payments over the next 6 weeks. This lets you make purchases using your Cash App funds through Afterpay's system, even though it's not a direct cash loan. If you're trying to get actual cash, however, the better option is to use the Cash App Borrow feature. Not everyone has it, but if you're eligible, it allows you to borrow small amounts of money, usually up to $200, directly into your Cash App balance. To check, go to the Banking tab, look for the option labeled Borrow, and see if it's available for your account. If your Cash App card is ever declined when using it with Afterpay, make sure you have enough money in your Cash App balance and that both apps are updated to the latest version. You can also visit Afterpay's support page at afterpay.com or contact Cash App support directly if you run into issues. So to sum it up, you can't borrow cash directly from Afterpay into Cash App, but you can use your Cash App card to make Afterpay purchases and spread out payments. And if you really need to borrow money, check out Cash App Borrow for a quick and legit way to get funds deposited straight into your account. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick Cash App and finance tips.